Unlocking Peak Performance, a comprehensive guide to health efficiency. In today's fast-paced world, where demands on our time and energy are ever increasing, the concept of health efficiency has moved from a niche idea to a crucial aspect of overall well-being and productivity. Health efficiency isn't about cutting corners or neglecting self-care. Rather, it's about strategically optimizing our lifestyle and habits to achieve the best possible health outcomes with the most effective use of our resources, time, energy, and financial investment. It's about working smarter, not just harder, when it comes to our physical and mental well-being. This comprehensive article will delve deep into the multifaceted nature of health efficiency, exploring its core principles, key strategies, the benefits it offers, potential pitfalls, and how individuals can cultivate a more efficient approach to their health journey, even within the specific context of a bustling city like Multan, Punjab, Pakistan, where unique environmental and lifestyle factors may come into play. The core principles of health efficiency. At its heart, health efficiency revolves around several key principles. Prioritization. Recognizing and focusing on the most impactful health behaviors and interventions that yield the greatest return on investment. Optimization. Fine-tuning existing habits and routines to maximize their health benefits. Sustainability. Implementing changes that can be maintained long-term without causing undue stress or disruption. Personalization. Tailoring health strategies to individual needs, preferences, and circumstances, considering factors like genetics, lifestyle, and local environment, e.g., air quality in Multan. Prevention. Emphasizing proactive measures to prevent illness and maintain well-being, rather than solely focusing on reactive treatment. 1. Integration. Viewing health as a holistic system where different aspects, nutrition, exercise, sleep, mental well-being, are interconnected and influence each other. 2. Resourcefulness. Utilizing available resources effectively, whether it's time for exercise, access to healthy food options in local markets of Multan, or leveraging community health initiatives. Key strategies for enhancing health efficiency. Achieving health efficiency requires a conscious and strategic approach across various domains of our lives. 1. Nutritional efficiency. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods that are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 3. This maximizes the nutritional value of each calorie consumed. In Multan, this might involve prioritizing seasonal fruits and vegetables available in local markets. Strategic meal planning and preparation. Planning meals in advance and preparing them at home saves time, reduces reliance on less healthy takeout options, and allows for better control over ingredients and portion sizes. 4. Mindful eating. Paying attention to hunger and fullness cues and eating slowly can prevent overeating and improve digestion, making the most of the food consumed. 5. Hydration optimization. Drinking adequate water throughout the day is crucial for numerous bodily functions. 6. Carrying a water bottle and establishing regular hydration habits is an efficient way to stay healthy. Targeted supplementation. If needed, based on individual needs and professional advice, strategic supplementation can address specific nutrient deficiencies efficiently, especially considering potential dietary limitations or seasonal variations in food availability in Multan. 2. Physical activity efficiency. Prioritize compound movements. Exercises that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, e.g., squats, lunges, push-ups, are more time efficient than isolation exercises. 7. Integrate movement into daily life. Find opportunities to be active throughout the day, such as walking or cycling for short commutes within Moulton, taking the stairs, or incorporating short bursts of activity into work breaks. High-intensity interval training, HIIT workouts offer significant cardiovascular benefits in a shorter amount of time compared to traditional steady-state cardio. 8. Efficient workout scheduling. Schedule workouts like any other important appointment to ensure consistency. Even short, regular sessions are more efficient than infrequent, long ones. Consider exercising during less congested times in local gyms or parks in Moulton. Active recovery. Incorporating light activity on rest days can improve blood flow and reduce muscle soreness, enhancing overall recovery efficiency. 9. 3. Sleep efficiency. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, even on weekends, regulates the body's natural sleep-wake cycle, circadian rhythm, leading to more restful and efficient sleep. 10. Optimize the sleep environment. Ensure the bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Consider the impact of noise pollution in urban areas like Moulton and implement strategies to minimize it. Prioritize sleep duration. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night for most adults. Recognize that sufficient sleep is not a luxury but a fundamental pillar of health efficiency. Implement a relaxing bedtime routine. Wind down before bed with activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques. 11-12 Avoid screen time close to bedtime. Address sleep disturbances. If experiencing persistent sleep problems, seek professional help to identify and address underlying issues efficiently. 4. Mental and emotional well-being efficiency. Mindfulness and meditation practices. Even short daily sessions of mindfulness or meditation can significantly reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance emotional regulation, leading to greater mental efficiency. 13. Effective stress management techniques. Identify personal stressors and develop healthy coping mechanisms, such as exercise, spending time in nature, if accessible in Moulton, or engaging in hobbies. Time management and organization. Efficiently managing time and tasks reduces stress and frees up mental energy for other important aspects of health. 14. Prioritize social connections. Maintaining meaningful relationships provides emotional support and reduces feelings of isolation, contributing to overall well-being efficiency. 15. Seek professional support when needed. Don't hesitate to reach out to mental health professionals for guidance and support in addressing mental health challenges efficiently. 5. Preventative health efficiency. Regular checkups and screenings. Adhering to recommended preventative screenings, e.g., blood pressure checks, cholesterol tests, cancer screenings, allows for early detection and intervention of potential health issues, saving significant time, resources, and health complications in the long run. 16. Consider the accessibility and availability of healthcare facilities in Moulton. Vaccinations. Staying up to date on recommended vaccinations is a highly efficient way to protect against infectious diseases and prevent illness. 17. Health literacy and education. Investing time in learning about health and wellness empowers individuals to make informed decisions and take proactive steps towards maintaining their health efficiently. Environmental awareness. Being aware of local environmental factors, such as air and water quality in Multan, and taking appropriate precautions, e.g., using air purifiers, ensuring access to clean water, is a crucial aspect of preventative health efficiency. Benefits of embracing health efficiency. Adopting a health-efficient lifestyle offers numerous advantages. Improved physical health, enhanced energy levels, stronger immune system, better sleep quality, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Enhanced mental clarity and focus, reduced stress, improved mood, and increased cognitive function. Increased productivity and performance. More energy and better focus translate to greater efficiency in work and daily tasks. More time for enjoyment. By optimizing health habits, individuals free up time and energy to pursue their passions and spend time with loved ones. Reduced healthcare costs. Preventing illness and managing health proactively can lead to lower healthcare expenses in the long run. 18. Greater sense of control and empowerment. Taking charge of one's health fosters a sense of control and empowers individuals to live a more fulfilling life. Potential pitfalls to avoid. While striving for health efficiency is beneficial, it's important to avoid certain pitfalls. Perfectionism and rigidity. An overly strict approach to health can lead to stress and burnout. Flexibility and self-compassion are crucial. Ignoring individual needs. What works for one person may not work for another. Personalized strategies are key. Focusing solely on optimization. Don't lose sight of the joy and pleasure in healthy activities and food. Neglecting mental well-being in the pursuit of physical efficiency. Mental and physical health are intertwined. Falling for quick fixes and fad diets. Sustainable, long-term changes are more efficient than short-term solutions. Cultivating health efficiency in Multan, Punjab, Pakistan. While the core principles of health efficiency remain universal, individuals in Multan can tailor their approach by leveraging local food resources, prioritizing fresh, seasonal produce available in local markets can support nutritional efficiency. 19. Adapting exercise routines. Finding suitable times and locations for physical activity, considering the local climate and cultural norms. Utilizing parks and community spaces for outdoor exercise during cooler parts of the day. Addressing environmental concerns. Taking precautions against air pollution, ensuring access to clean drinking water, and maintaining good hygiene practices. Utilizing local healthcare resources. Being aware of available healthcare facilities and preventative health programs in Multan. Building community support. Connecting with local communities and support groups can foster motivation and provide valuable resources for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Conclusion. Embracing a smarter approach to well-being. Health efficiency is not about achieving a state of perfect health through relentless effort. It's about making informed choices, implementing strategic habits, and optimizing our resources to achieve sustainable well-being. By understanding the core principles and adopting practical strategies across nutrition, physical activity, sleep, mental health, and preventative care, individuals in Malton, and indeed anywhere in the world, can unlock their peak performance, enhance their quality of life, and navigate the demands of modern life with greater energy, resilience, and overall efficiency. Embracing a smarter approach to health is an investment in a brighter, healthier future.